Do you know how to use the videos Historia Clínica in your class? Hi, I'm Yama from YAMA Spanish Language Solutions, and this is YAMA Culture. And this is how I use the videos Historia Clínica in my class. So I only use these videos with advanced levels. So first what they have to do is they have to watch the video. Then they have to write 20 questions with their answers of the video, about the video. Later to hand in, what they're going to do is they're going to write a formal greeting. And then they're going to write 4 paragraphs using the answers from the questions. Why 4? Well, each paragraph usually has 5 sentences. So here, since we're going to have 20 sentences, we're just going to divide it into 4 paragraphs. Then, after that, they're going to write a small paragraph and explain in what AP theme this video enters. Okay, there's no wrong answer. It's just them defending it and giving a reason why they're putting it in this category, this AP category. Then they have to write a formal farewell to you. And lastly, what they have to do is they just have to hand in, it could be either physically or they could do it via Seesaw, the paper. In Seesaw, they could just take a picture of the paper so you can see it, or they could do a little audio, or they could actually do a video of them reading the paper. Okay? Just be creative. Be creative. Again, what are advanced levels? What I consider advanced levels? That's going to be 4 AP Language and Culture, 5 AP Literature, Language and Literature, and Spanish speakers or native speakers. Now, what are the benefits of the students looking at these videos or using these videos? Well, first they get to listen to another voice in Spanish that's not yours. Then they get to see historical figures that they probably never heard of or didn't really know that much about. Also, since these are going to be clinical videos or medical videos, they're going to be listening to specific terminology, medical terminology. So that's going to help them kind of expand their vocabulary in Spanish. They're always going to be educational because they're always going to be learning something new about these either the figures, the people they're talking about, or the terms. They will always be learning something new. And very importantly, it's going to expose the students to Argentinian accents. Okay, a lot of these students, probably the majority of them, are not. They only heard the accents that they hear on TV or around their house or their family, and probably haven't heard actual Argentinian accents, which will be very, very different to what they're used to listening. And lastly, I'm going to show you the videos. All right, so here we go. These are the historical figures that they have. Perón, they have Tita Merello, Che Guevara, they have Eva Perón or Evita, and they have many other. You gotta remember, these are Argentinian historical figures, so that's why a lot of them they may not know. Oh, we have Quiroga, Horacio Quiroga, which is a very celebrated author. And okay. And well, I'm going to put a link to how to get to these videos on the description. But this is how I use the videos Historia Clínica in my classroom. Oh, yeah, I'm Yama from YAMA Spanish Language Solutions, and this was YAMA Culture. And now we're going to do shout outs. Let's see if we have anybody. No? Well, anyway. Well, happy Valentine's Day, future Valentine's Day. The day of love and friendship, even though I don't think you should specifically have one day of love and friendship, it should be every day. Then comments, if you have any comments on the video, please write them down or type them down. If you have any questions or any suggestions, I would love suggestions of what things to do. or what videos or themes I could, or what topics I could do. Share if you think somebody would like this. Subscribe to the channel. Press like, and go to my YouTube channel. And if you need any online classes for Spanish to English or English to Spanish, or if you need any translations or subtitles from English to Spanish or Spanish to English, don't hesitate to contact me. So, I'll see you when I see you.